Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for social media content ideas. So I will just write it like example, write hooks for this topic on how to use Facebook ad. So I will just write hooks for this topic on how to use Facebook ads, and I will just give them command. And here is the engaging hooks for the how to use Facebook ads, like the problem solving hooks. Here are the statics hooks. So this is you can just use it for your social media contents. So if I just use the new chat GPT, if I just give them command like write me five titles for the YouTube video, and on you will just also give them a specific title. I will just write me five titles for the YouTube video, and the topic is how to increase sales on online store. So I will just give them command write me five titles for YouTube video on how to increase sales on online store. So here are some ideas for your suggestions. So boost your online store sales, and 10 simple hacks to skyrocket sales on your online store. How to drive more traffic, increase sales for your online shop, maximize your e-commerce profits, essential tips for success, the ultimate guide to boosting sales for your online store. So you can use it for this to generating social media content ideas. And if I just tab on new chat gpt, and you will also generating example generating please generate hashtags on my Instagram post on daily workout. So here are some hashtag suggestions for your Instagram post on daily workouts. You will see daily workout, fitness journey, stay active, motivation, fit life, healthy lifestyle, train hard. So this is you can just use ChatGPT for your social media content ideas. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.